Hi, my name's Briauna,
I'm Carlos.
I'm Amaya.
And I'm Daniel.
and this is our sliding filament theory model. Okay, so in the beginning of the model, the acetylcholine is released from the axon terminal and binds to the receptors on the sarcolemma. And then the action potential is generated and travels down the T tubule to the calcium voltage-dependent calcium channel.
Calcium is released from the cytoplasmic reticulum in response to the change in voltage. Calcium binds troponin. Cross bridges form between actin and myosin.
Acetyltolerase is taken, it removes acetylcholine from the synaptic cleft, and the CO2 is transported back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum.
Trypomyosin binds active sites on the actin, causing the cross bridges to detach. So, rigor mortis happens when the myosin heads will not detach from the actin because there is no ATP. When this is found in someone who is dead, therefore the muscles will always stay contracted. Which is why rigor mortis is called the stiffening of the muscles. So when there's a situation when there's no rigor mortis happening, the
Person's alive.
the muscles will casually unbind, allowing contractions and relaxation of the muscle.